Hey there, I'm Mr. Bahork, and I'm going to be talking more about polynomials today. And today we're doing binomials times binomials. And we're talking specifically about the FOIL method today. FOIL method is a very, very famous method for multiplying binomials times binomials. I'm sure if you ask your parents or anything, they'll probably remember maybe hearing about the FOIL method from a long time ago when they had algebra. So the FOIL method, it's steps. That's all it is. It tells you what order to multiply things. So you're going to multiply the first terms, the outer terms, the inner terms, and then the last terms. Then we clean everything up and we're done. So that's all the FOIL method means. Okay? It's just an order in which to multiply. So let's take a look at an example where I have x plus 2 times x minus 3. It's a binomial times a binomial. So I listed this out the long way. Okay, when you're actually doing this, you won't really list it out this way. It would take up way too much time. So first terms are x times x. Notice how it's the first term of each binomial. So we are doing x times x. That's the f. The outer terms, x, and then negative 3. So notice how it's on the outside of the two binomials here. Inner terms are the two terms on the inside, 2 and x. And the last terms are the last two terms of the binomials, 2 and negative 3. 2 and negative 3. So we'll multiply all those. X times x gives us x squared. X times negative 3 gives us negative 3x. 2 times x gives us 2x. And 2 times negative 3 gives us negative 6. Whew. Now finally we have to clean everything up, make it look all pretty, so we have to combine like terms if there are any. Usually the two terms in the middle will be able to combine, okay, but not always, so be careful. Okay, so we combine like terms and I got x squared minus 1x minus 6, and that's my final answer. Now, there is a helpful hint for using the FOIL method to make it go a little bit faster. Okay, and some kids call this the rainbow method. Okay, it's just because it makes a kind of looking rainbow. But basically, as you're doing a problem, say you have x plus 2 times 2x plus 3, you basically draw a rainbow for each term you're multiplying. So x times 2x, first terms. Outer terms, x times 3, 3x. Inner terms, 2 times 2x, 4x. And last terms, 2 times 3. Notice how it has kind of like a little rainbow effect for each one of them, and that's 6. We combine those like terms, and I got 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. All right, I'm Mr. Bahork, and that has been the FOIL method.